Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can hide the Discord window from screen capture. So let's get started. If you want to keep your Discord chats private while you're streaming or recording your screen, Discord includes a built-in feature that can hide the app window from most screen capture software. To get started, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure you're signed in. In the bottom left corner, click the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. In the Settings menu, you find Streamer Mode, Enable, then click on it. This section contains several privacy features designed to protect your personal information while you're live or recording. Inside Streamer Mode, look for the option called Hide Discord Window from Screen Capture. Turn this setting on by clicking the toggle. Once it's enabled, the Discord application window will no longer appear in most screen recording and streaming software. This helps keep your private messages, servers, and conversations hidden while you share your screen. This feature is especially useful for streamers, content creators, gamers, or anyone who frequently records tutorials and wants to avoid accidentally showing private Discord chats. If you ever need Discord to appear in your recordings again, simply return to User Settings, open Streamer Mode, and turn off the Hide Discord Window from Screen Capture option. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can protect your privacy and keep your Discord activity hidden while recording or streaming. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.